Okay. So i-drawing siyenza isometric le bengikunike yona as homework yakho. Cabanga ukuthi iyabonakala njengamanje. Okay, kuthiwe lapha make P your starting point. Okay, the views are in a first angle orthographic projection. Okay, makuthiwa izinto inikwe kwi-first angle orthographic projection, kushuthi la sine front view yethu, i-top view yethu, then ne-side lethu. Okay, so i-steps sokuqala ozongenzela sona ukuthi ungidwebele i-isometric box yakho kwiphepha lakho liyi-A3 or A4, ayikho inkinga. Okay, ama-video ngizozama ukwenza ngakhathi because kuzoba nzima ukusendela wona ngo-WhatsApp yabo. Okay, so qala-ke manje senza isometric box yethu. Okay.